Imagine a mountain range capped with pristine snow just begging to be explored. The untouched beauty of these peaks is a sight to behold. Avalanche, a world of endless possibilities and adventures waiting to unfold. Remember, this is not financial advice, let's go. This is the world of blockchain, and Avalanche, or AVAX, is a sleek, high-performance snowboard cutting through the powder. Just as a snowboarder effortlessly glides down the mountain, Avalanche navigates the complexities of blockchain with ease and precision. Launched in 2020 by Ava Labs, Avalanche isn't just another blockchain, it's a network designed for speed and efficiency. Picture the first light of dawn breaking over a mountain summit, illuminating a new path forward. That's what Avalanche represents in the blockchain world. Unlike traditional blockchains that can feel like a slow climb uphill, Avalanche zips down the slopes with incredible transaction speeds. It's like racing down a mountain, where every second counts and every move is crucial. How fast are we talking? Think sub-second finality, meaning your transactions are confirmed almost instantly. Imagine a stopwatch ticking down, and before you know it, your transaction is complete. This is a game changer for decentralized applications, or dApps, that need to be lightning fast and responsive. In a world where speed and efficiency are paramount, Avalanche stands out as a revolutionary force, ready to reshape the landscape of blockchain technology. What makes Avalanche so quick on its feet? How does it manage to outpace many of its competitors in the blockchain space? The secret lies in its unique architecture, which is designed to optimize speed and efficiency. Instead of relying on a single blockchain, Avalanche utilizes 3 interconnected chains, each with a specific role. These chains are the exchange chain, the platform chain, and the contract chain. This allows for parallel processing of transactions, significantly boosting its throughput. By distributing tasks across multiple chains, Avalanche can handle a higher volume of transactions simultaneously. This innovative approach makes Avalanche highly scalable. It can grow and adapt as the network expands, ensuring that performance remains consistent even as demand increases. As more users and dApps join the network, Avalanche can handle the increased traffic without breaking a sweat. This means that developers and users can rely on Avalanche for a seamless experience, and here's a bonus. Avalanche is also eco-friendly. Its design not only prioritizes speed and scalability, but also sustainability. Its consensus mechanism, called Avalanche Consensus, consumes significantly less energy than traditional proof-of-work blockchains. This makes it a greener choice for the future of decentralized applications. AVAX, the native token of the Avalanche network, is your all-access pass to this exciting ecosystem. Like lift tickets and gear rentals, AVAX fuels transactions, secures the network, and provides governance rights. Need to pay transaction fees? AVAX has you covered. Want to participate in securing the network through staking? AVAX is your key. Have a say in the future direction of Avalanche? You guessed it, AVAX gives you voting power. Since its launch, AVAX has carved its own path in the cryptocurrency market. Like any good ski run, there have been ups and downs, twists and turns. AVAX's price has experienced periods of significant growth, followed by corrections, mirroring the volatility often seen in the crypto world. Factors like market sentiment, adoption rates, and regulatory developments all play a role in shaping its price trajectory. Avalanche presents a compelling case with its strong fundamentals. The platform is built on a robust architecture that promises high performance and reliability. Its consensus protocol is designed to be both secure and efficient, making it a standout in the crowded blockchain space. The technology is cutting edge, offering speed, scalability, and sustainability. Avalanche's infrastructure supports thousands of transactions per second, which is crucial for real-world applications. Its eco-friendly approach also sets it apart, addressing the growing concerns about the environmental impact of blockchain technologies. However, the crypto market is a dynamic and often unpredictable landscape. Prices can swing wildly due to market sentiment, regulatory news, or technological advancements. This volatility can be both an opportunity and a risk for investors and developers alike. While Avalanche's technology positions it well for future growth, its success also hinges on broader market adoption, competition from other platforms, and the ever-evolving regulatory environment. The team behind Avalanche is continuously working to forge partnerships and expand its ecosystem, but the path to widespread adoption is fraught with challenges. Understanding both the technical strengths and the market realities is crucial for navigating the exciting slopes of the Avalanche ecosystem. Investors and developers must stay informed and adaptable, balancing optimism with caution as they explore the potential of this innovative platform. The community's bullish today if you ask CoinGecko, but it's a roller coaster. Think of it as a skier who's crashed, dusted off, and is now eyeing the black diamond run again. AVAX feels undervalued, but it's waiting for a spark, maybe that ETF or a DeFi boom to ignite a rally. Remember to like and subscribe for more deep dives.